Did you hear that? That's the sound of your cue telling you you need some new Z1 hood strut kits. Install is easy. You only need one tool and it's very simple with 2 tabs connecting your hood to the body. With a flathead screwdriver, insert into the lower portion of the insert clip and twist. Now it's ready for removal. A smaller flathead screwdriver is definitely recommended. Installation is even easier. You simply just clip it on to the existing area. Be sure to install the struts the same way you pulled them out. We don't want them in upside down. And what's really nice is these are pre-greased inside. Done. Repeat for the other side. Now that you've done the front, the process is exactly the same for the trunk. So again, same for the front. 2 retaining clips, flathead screwdriver, one with a smaller head is preferred, and be sure to put the struts in the correct way. It is that easy. On to the next side. Too easy. Thanks for watching today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to call our tech support line or head over to our website.